bagambirwa ishimiro ya Royal Daycare School mu Rukabo Sheema municipality aha mukoro gwo koreka intaranta nebe bari kwekorora n'imikono yabo.
Actually nyenda kusima Royal Daycare School abo kuba kunaza kuko amashomero munashanga Abegyese by'imikono ngo kubazira ukoresa body liquid soap hato mwana okushomera kaza ahabyo mutwe konka white collar focusing on white collar jobs nico kurebera Uganda etakwija kutunga
bena abana banyu mubatebekanise abana banyu muba encouraging ninjira mwana murebo kwa kubashurika okwakuba budabuda omwana otali mweto tumweni wanoza kuruga muki
omwana kwakuruga hansi arukumanya ngo nabasa kugira ekiyayekorera nikija nikimuyamba omukura kwe namanya ngo nabasa kubona oburyo bwo kwebisaho
abiroho no kushemesa abazire okuba kubasa kutebekanisiza jenyensi y'abana babo.
Tuineyo account nunji y'abana nimbashaba mwena humuri mwigurira abana banyu accounts ako kumwegese okusavinga akiryo mwana muto. I'm telling you naija kuba nakubanja ngoze kumusavingira. And what does this mean to you, the parent and the child? Mwena numza kuba numuganyirwamu.
We really know that you support us, you pray for us, you love us. That's why we are what we are.
Mukuru w'ishemero na umenatamba nagira ngo mwana bamwigisa okukorese mukono ye kuruga omudekeya kandi hata batangiye na program yo kwekorera bitabona cyuka.
Just as little ones, as you saw, those ones that were crawling, but they've managed to grow and become important learners in this society.
Omugandi abazire bashabwe kukuza abana babo n'obujunanizibwa bari kubahaboro kubine kutwaza kandi no kwehara kuyombero misho gabana babo. Okushaba kwa yawe boneta shobya speaker wa Mbarara City ahamgoro gukora hiza abeebembezi ababeje ha Divine Kindergarten and Junior School omurokatete Mbarara City.
Solomon will say that I will execute my duties to the best of my knowledge.
Abana ibo bihora binotongana na patana wawe umukazi yanatonga shisha omumakaganyu mureke abana kuba bariho kuba nababambahereza stories ezindi mwenu ebyo muganira mukinye cyanyu kuko mureke kuteka mabaki abana
tubaguminga obwegyese atandikira hansi abo ko shanga hizo obwegyese cyukushanga ubundi dukoresho ni uko umwana kwa kuyahansa y'ubwegyese iyo mbebe class ari umsi umupi wana ari umpitu ari umutopa ari ubwegyese kwa kahiguru uja kuga mu ubwegyese bunji
naba bakama bikureba babagera hansi barga hansi bakine kubatandikira hansi nkora kugira ngo unyesya bakigire magagasho cyo kwangeza gukorera izoba
abeje batoranwa bashabwe gukora imyuga yabo kandi abeebembezi bo mwaka 2024-2025 bahebwe bicyonco byo gukora imyuga yabo.
I Atine El Shaddai upon being elected as the discipline prefect of Divine Kindergarten and Junior School. I Anaman Adonai Chesha upon being elected as assistant timekeeper of Divine Kindergarten and Junior School.
Gashoka Maika twachire na anta tukunda.